Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again. So my name is Amas. I'm here once again. I want to share my ideas on, want to share some insights regarding one of these AI tools out there that has been popular, that has been making wave out there, which is ChatGPT, which we already know. You know, personally, it has helped me so much. It has helped me so much in area of skill acquisition, content generation, documentations, and everything. It has helped me, I must say. It has helped me so well. So right now I'm making this video to share five good ways that ChatGPT can empower developers. So if you're out there, trust me, I believe ChatGPT must have paved way for you, must have added one or two things in your career. So now, just like staying ahead, man, staying ahead in this tech space is something else. Like staying ahead of the tech trends, the latest updates, everything happening on the tech space is something else. But with the help of these tools out there, with the help of all these AI tools out there, it makes the life of a developer so easy, so easy. So now let me start out by sharing one of those ways that ChatGPT can help to ease the life of a developer. One of them is code assistance and generation. What does that mean? Let's say, for example, you want to start designing a website. Let's say, for example, you want to design the homepage of a website with good prompts that you just input into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give you something that will look like it, if not exactly, some boilerplates of it. So now writing those boilerplates will save you like 20 minutes, 30 minutes of your time. That's worth something, because time is something you can't get back. Sometimes something that flies. You can get back anything. You can lose money and make money. You can get money back, but you can't get back time. Every 1 minute lost is gone and gone forever. So with this assistant gotten from ChatGPT is something that we need to value. Those are one of ways that it can empower a developer. 2, idea generation. Let's say, like, for example, again, you're building something. Let's say maybe you're working on a project. Maybe you want to add one or two features on project. So you can go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, I'm working on these things. What other features do you think I can add on? Definitely, one thing I love about ChatGPT is you can converse with it. Like, you can converse with it back and forth. It remembers all your questions, all you have been asking. It remembers it, so it will tell you, add this, do this, add this. Okay. Now, with all that it's telling you to add, it will still give you hints on how to add it. You can see, ask it, okay, generate this code for me on how to do this. It will still do that for you. You see how powerful it is. So it makes the life of a developer very, very easy. It empowers you. It makes life easy. It's just there to assist us. I can remember back then, last year, when this was introduced, people were afraid that it will replace me, this and that. People are just afraid. But right now, everybody's using it to do its fullest. I keep saying one thing, that ChatGPT was designed by a human. It cannot operate itself. You need it to operate it. You need to work with it. And even though that it gives you back what you want, you still need to modify it. You need to add this human flair. You need to add this touch of human feeling to it, to whatever it gives you. It will tell you that what it's giving you might not be 100% correct, but definitely you as a human, because you don't have an idea on what you want, you just need to modify it and get what you want out of it. Alright, so that's the number 2, idea generation. Idea generation, that's number 1, 2. That's number 2 of it. So number 3 is what? Documentation. Let's say you have successfully built a website, or maybe you have successfully built a plugin or anything, any tool that anyone can use out there, and you want to generate a step-by-step process on how people can use that software if they buy it from there. Maybe you're trying to monetize it to make money, so you want to put it out there so that people who are using it to do, even though they need some guidelines on it, on how they can use that particular software. So with that documentation which you are putting in there, it will allow whoever who will use it to read through those documentations and go through your products and all of that. So with the help of ChatGPT, it will give you an easy to understand documentation on that particular on that particular project or that particular thing you developed. Okay, let's say for example you are working on a SaaS project. You have finished that SaaS project. You now go to ChatGPT. You tell ChatGPT, please give me a full documentation on this SaaS project, on how they can use it, set it up, do everything. ChatGPT will write a very good and well detailed documentation for you. It's not left for you now as a developer to sit down, read what it gave you, modify it, and that's it. You have it. So simple. It makes life easy for us. That's number 3. So the number 4th one we'll have there is what? Code review and optimization. Now, I believe this is actually what self-explanatory, but I have to still go through it. Let's say you have written a line of codes and maybe you're not too sure. Maybe your code broke, it's not working, or maybe you want to optimize it, you want to refactor the code. ChatGPT is there for you. It's there for you. Sorry guys, I apologize once again for the background noise and everything. I'm making this video from my workspace right now, so I apologize for the voice and everything. I apologize, please. All right, so let's go back to the video. So code review and optimization. Let's say for example you write a line of code and it's not working. Maybe your code broke. You can copy that code and go into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will look through that code, look at what's not working and what's working. It will help you to optimize that code to the fullest. It will tell you, okay, this was happening, this will not happen. Isn't that wonderful? Instead of you to spend hours debugging something, and you have a machine out there, you have an AI out there that will help make your life easier within seconds, within minutes. Isn't that wonderful? Isn't that the next thing? Isn't that another big next thing for us to use? Man, I love this software. I love ChatGPT a lot because it has helped me. It has helped me. That's why I'm making this video on ways that it can help to empower developers. I'm a developer, and I believe we still have millions of people out there. So I believe we should be using this to its fullest. We should be using this particular AI software to its fullest, to do whatever we want to do and all of that. So the number 5th one is what? Learning and what? And skill development. You want to learn anything? It's there. You want to learn about digital marketing? It is there. It will give you the step-by-step process. You want to learn about SEO? You want to learn about data science? You want to learn about machine learning? It's there to give you all these things. It's there to give you all these things with a detailed analysis, with code examples. So, it's there to give you all these things. You can learn anything from there. You can learn how to self-development, whatever you want to learn, self-esteem, whatever you want to do, is there to help you. Want to start up a business, want how to be a good entrepreneur, how to budgeting, finances, is there. You can use to learn anything you want to. I was talking to a girl. She said she wants to learn about self-development. I told her, okay, there's an AI out there that you can use that will help you, that you can converse with. You can convert with it. It will ask the AI questions. It will respond back and forth to you. It will tell you, do this, do that. This is the possible way to do it. To give you the do and don'ts and all of that. She said, are you for you? I said, yes. I said, okay, go to ChatGPT. I said, okay. She said, okay, I need to say. So she went there. She registered. She signed up. So she started. She was like, man, this is so wonderful. She asked me, is there a human being out there, like behind the screen, that is responding to all this? I said, no. That's an AI. That's a computer is doing all those things. She said, wow, this is so wonderful. You see, only for just a few minutes she used it, she was so marveled by the power of this word, of this thing. So tell me, what it can do, what it can't do. It can do so many things. All right? So I've shared the 5th one. So now, it can do so many things. I can keep going on and on. But this is just the 5 few ways that ChatGPT can empower developers. So I believe developers out there can use this AI tool to its fullest, to its advantage. Whether you are a beginner, whether you are an advanced, whether somebody who has been there, who has been on this tech space for 11 years, 10 years, it has helped. It has been tested. It has been confirmed. It has been used by so many, and there's testimonies out there. So I believe these are just ways that you can use these softwares by just what better you use this software by just empowering yourself as a developer. Whether you're a developer or whether you're an entrepreneur or anybody, you can use this to whatever you're doing. So guys, thanks for watching. Once again, subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm so that this video will be pushed out to some people who are also looking for videos just like this. All right, so I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks guys for watching once again. Peace out.